Yesterday, I attended the Randall County Ag Day. It's an annual event in Randall County. It starts at the Herbert Kuhlman and Jeannie Kuhlman Extension Office in Randall County. It's in the morning there's presenters that present, a lunchtime presenter during lunch, and then there's a tour in the afternoon. Tom Sell was the lunchtime presenter, and he presented this. During his presentation, he put this chart up. And in 2021, 0.2% of the budget, U.S. budget, is spent on ag programs. 0.2% of the budget is spent on ag programs. Now, if we look here, the bottom pie is that 0.2% broke down. So, 8% of it is spent on rural development, research, food safety, regulatory, and departmental management. 5% is spent on forestry. 22% of the 0.2% is spent on farm conservation and commodity programs, which is your CRP programs, your crop insurance subsidy programs, your natural disasters for drought, floods, things like that, that they assist farmers during natural disasters. 65% of the ag budget is spent on nutrition assistance, which a lot of people don't realize. That is your school lunch programs, your cards, so people who can't afford food can go buy food to feed themselves. So in the ag budget, it's not just going to farmers, to farms. It is also going to help people pay for food that cannot otherwise feed themselves. So a large part of that budget is spent on other programs that don't go back to the farmer. And a lot of people don't realize that. We'll go back to the first chart. That chart, the U.S. budget is $3.5 trillion, give or take. They're looking at changing it to $6 trillion. But in this budget, if you look, which amazes me, 11% is spent on national defense. Only 11% of our budget is on national defense. Which, you think about it, all of our soldiers, that's their pay. Everybody in the administration, in D.C., Pentagon, everybody, that's all part of it. We're buying ships, planes, submarines, jets, bombs, weapons with that 11%. It just amazes me. I really thought that number would be a lot higher because there's a lot invested in it. But you look down here, unemployment is at 20%. So we're spending 20% of our budget on unemployment. And everywhere you look, there's people needing employees. People don't want to work. So we're spending double money, basically double of the defense on unemployment. And that just seems completely backwards to me. You know, we spend 7% on Medicaid, 12% on Medicare, 16% on Social Security. Our interest is only 4.92%. I really thought we'd have more interest in that on our money. Other is 22%. I have no idea what that is. 1.93% is spent on veterans. 2.63% is on retirement. And I don't know what that retirement is. But to me, those numbers, the veteran retirement should be swapped. But I don't know what all comes into that. So I just thought these charts were very interesting. I wanted to share them with you. Tell me what you think. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think about this. Y'all have a good day and God bless.